Hi guys, I'm David, I'm the founder of Vape and Juice, and I want to present to you Vaperun with this handsome chappy there. Recognise him? If you were asking the question, do you do same day vape delivery in my area? Well, the answer, depending where you live, is yes. We've got 30 stores around the southeast of England, and we are going to be able to provide same day vape delivery in those locations. Our goal is to offer a faster service than Amazon in a number of locations, but also, because we've got experts behind the brand, be able to offer great customer service. Because items aren't going to be in transit for particularly long, hour, 2 hours, it means we can even preset it up for you. So if you're brand new to vaping and you want it all set up or charged, you can click the box and say, I'd like my device preset up. That's what Vaperun's all about, delivering great customer service and delivering products super fast. Check us out, it's vaperun.com.